In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the image module. The image module, quite simply, allows you to add an image anywhere on your page. The image will automatically adapt to the column width that you place it in, and it will fade in as you scroll down from a direction that you choose. For example, here's a page that I'm building. I want to make an About Us page, and I have these 3 text blocks here. They're going to be bios about my team members, and I want to add a photo of all 3 of our team members above the block of text. Here you can see the builder representation of that page. Here are my 3 text blocks, and above each of these I want to add an image. So I'm going to click the Insert Modules button and select the image module. First thing you're going to want to do is upload your image or choose an image from the media gallery. So click the Upload an Image button. And in my case, I'm going to choose an image that I have here. There they go. There we are. So I've chosen my image. You get a little preview there. You get in your alt text, which will appear for search engines or browsers that can't see the image. The alt text is like an alternate version of the text. So you should just put in a description of what the photo is. Lightbox. Here you can choose whether or not you want the image to open in a lightbox when clicked. If you select don't open in lightbox, then the image, it won't be a link, it'll just be a standard image. In this case, I'll select the lightbox option so we can preview that. Animation, you can choose how the image animates. Once you scroll down to it, you can choose from left to right, right to left, top to bottom, bottom to top, or just fade in with no movement or no animation. In this case, I'm going to go left to right. Then you can choose your admin label, CSS ID, and CSS class. I'm going to save that, and I want it above my text, so I'm going to drag it up above. And then we're going to do the same thing, we're going to add a couple more. And this time I'm going to choose not to use a lightbox. When you choose not to use a lightbox, you can choose a link instead. So if you want your image to link to an external page, you can input a link. So for example, if I just want to link to Google, then I can add that there. If you define a URL, then you can choose where that link opens, whether it's in the same window or in a new window. So if you want to link to an external resource, but you don't want anyone to leave your page, then you can choose to open the browser or open the link in a new browser tab. And then the rest of the images, or the rest of the options we already went over. And then I'll add one more. And there we go. I've added 3 images. The first one we've chosen to let it open in a lightbox. The second one we've defined a URL, and the third one we defined no URL, in which case it'll just be an image without a link. So I'm going to update that. Refresh the page. So you can see they all fade in left to right, which is what we defined. This first one will open in a lightbox when clicked. The second one will bring us to Google in a new tab. And the third one is just a standard image. And there you go. It's a basic overview of how to use the image module.